Gang, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I will keep saying it to give you like some motivation, some good inspiration, and some good vibes, you feel me? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? We're at 12K right now, super insane. Like, you guys are amazing, and like I really appreciate you guys, so thank you. We're just going to like cook something up from scratch using FL Studio, so we'll just see what inspiration hits us. By the way, since it's like more casual but still special cook up, we're going to take a look at Unison MIDI core pack. Super fire in my opinion. Probably seen the ads, but I had to test it out for myself, you feel me? See if we can make something fire with it. We always come to the channel and make some fire together. So it has like major chords, minor chords, and then like some progressions as well. Like right here, it has like, for example, F major to D minor. It's like D minor, all the chords right here. And you can just like simply drag and drop, or in FL Studio you can hit like control and then click, and then it will pop the MIDI right in there. So as you can see, it just like creates the melody or the chords for you. It's really good if you are like out of inspiration and stuff and you want to like twist it up a little bit, or you just need like some extra help. Like the Unison MIDI core pack is definitely something I can like recommend. 60% off as well, so like what are you waiting for? Go check out the link in the description. I think I want to go for like something minor, G minor, and it also has like progressions, borrowed and model chords, extended chords, and triads. And then you also have advanced progressions and diatonic triads. Like the options in this MIDI pack is just insane. So, and let's see if we can find something nice in here. Let's see how this sounds with halftime in there. By the way, I got a free shaper box in the description as well. I think it will sound super fire when I like reverse it and maybe add a vocal to it. Even with that triplet bounce, that's really like in the style of Roddy Ricch. So you really want to look into that when making like these Roddy Ricch type of beats. Really like emotional and wavy as well sometimes. So the drums need to be hitting hard also. So right here, reverse, and then make sure you drag this in tempo. What you also can do is like restructure the reverse part. Right here, I want like a reverse, like sweep in, sweep back out effect. Like, it's hard to explain, but like just reverse, and then we got the normal one like fading into each other. Time to add some drums. Let's see how it sounds with some drums. I know the beat is super simple, we made it hella fast thanks to the Unison MIDI core pack, but we just need some smacking drums on this because it's already sounding super full. It definitely needs like a vocal on there to make like the beat 10 times harder, but sometimes simplicity is key. Everyone knows that, so let's just add some fire to it. Wow, this beat is just super smooth, super ambient, super wavy. Like I can definitely hear like Lil Baby and Gunna on it. Like they can do a crazy verse on this. Like there's so much room for a vocal. It's just crazy to me. This just like placement ready, placement ready. Stay with me, placement ready, placement ready. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. This tutorial show you how to make like beats and melodies for Roddy Ricch, Gunna, Lil Baby from scratch inside of FL Studio. So I hope you picked up like 1 or 2 things, but thank you so much for your support. I'm active on social media as well as Gunna Beats. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.